Hi everyone, Chris here, trying to get with the kids and do more videos. So I'm just experimenting with doing a little recording at the Ramesseum. We're here in mid-afternoon, just as the sun is starting to go down. It's really gorgeous here, and it's quite quiet. There's not many human beings. There's about 1 million pigeons squawking away, but anyway, otherwise it's nice and peaceful. Apart from just sending a kind of little video postcard from here in Luxor, I wanted to tell you that I'm going to be doing a little bit more on YouTube in particular later this year. I'm planning, as in the past couple of years, to do a couple of summer lectures online. In the past I've always done this via Zoom. I charge a registration fee. From this summer onwards, my plan, at least, is to broadcast these lectures live via YouTube. I did experiment with this last year. We did Egyptology in an hour, nearly, live via YouTube. One thing that's different about that for me is that I can't charge a registration fee on YouTube, and because this is a part of the way that I attempt to earn a living, I'm going to be, I'm afraid, encouraging you all to have a look at the super thanks button on YouTube, which is a way of sending a little financial thank you my way. And I'm also planning to experiment with memberships, channel memberships. And if I can get my act together, my idea is to try and do a new lecture, probably slightly shorter than the ones I've been doing online generally up to now, but a new lecture every month, and to charge a monthly channel membership fee, which would be the equivalent of a registration fee for a YouTube talk or an online talk. So look out for that. The summer lectures are going to be about pyramid myth busting, Amenhotep and Akhenaten, and we're going to look at how to read hieroglyphs via the Abydos king lists as well. 2 of those are probably going to be public, that's the idea, and the 3rd of those will be for members only, and that will start the sequence of members only videos. So more details to follow. I haven't exactly figured out how it's all going to work yet, and I don't know if I've got the technical wherewithal to set it all up anyway, but that's the plan. So here's a video for now, fulfilling my intention to do more videos, and especially more videos while I'm in Egypt, and have a look out for online lecture announcements coming later. So that's it. Bye for now. I don't know what to do now. Do I walk out, or do I reach over and switch the button off? I think I'm going to walk out. See you later.